Hiya! Good day. If you lack focus, if you feel like you're stuck, if you're working to break six-figure income or you're not even getting six figures and you want to get a six-figure income, I have a gift for you. For a limited time, I am offering my 8 ways to supercharge your motivation and crush it workshop and course for free. It's a $2.99 value and my gift to you all. I'm doing this because I am so grateful for all that God has given me and my successful reinventions throughout my life. Because so many mentors, coaches, and friends have supported me. They've helped me go from a broken, introverted kid from the streets of New York City with low self esteem and no self worth to a successful, extroverted entrepreneur who became a master at sales. I have released my workshop and course with workbooks, guides, an ebook, and affirmations to everyone for a limited time. The workshop, 8 Ways to Supercharge Your Motivation Plus Bonuses, is available at bit.ly/8supercharge or go to register at the link below. It includes, as a bonus, the 8 activators for those of you who really want to succeed at the highest levels. Find out what your internal and external motivations are and get unstuck now. I believe that anyone, regardless of age or circumstance, can reinvent themselves and increase their income exponentially. I use this system regularly, and recently I used it to go from $0 in sales to $8 million a year in sales in 18 months. For more information, call or text me at 813-722-1417 or use the link below to just join the free course. Papaya! Papaya! That's my activation word. Papaya! Here we go. Just remember, I'm offering this for a limited time. Thank you. Have a great one.